Good morning. Today what you're going to do is you're going to set up some of the most important parts of the course, like the textbook and your Google Classroom and all of that. So I've entered into Period 1's Google Classroom, and if you take a look, I'm on the regular stream, which kind of gets clogged. I prefer looking through Classwork because what I do for you is I actually break the classwork up into units and then I hide units later. So my suggestion is to always look for the most recent posts in Classwork, and then you'll be able to see what unit we're in, course resources, etc. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on course website. Our course website is a really important place for you to visit each day. It has our calendar, it has our units, videos that you can use for stuff as well. So when you head into our website, make sure that you do bookmark it. Once it's bookmarked, take a look around. We have a link to Google Classroom, so essentially you really just need this website. You can always access Google Classroom from this site. We have Mastering Environmental Science, which is our textbook. Again, you're going to be using that quite a bit. We have a link to the syllabus, as well as other resources like Khan Academy videos or math help videos. Right below that, we have our daily slides. So each day I will have the daily slide up. I've divided them into blue and silver to differentiate the separations of periods. So blue are periods 1 through 4, and the silver is periods 5 through 8. So you know what you need to do each day, even if I don't see you on that particular day. So the blue group on Wednesday, August 12th is doing this. And on Wednesday, August 12th, the silver group should be doing this. So you can always access this. You shouldn't have a question of what is the homework, what's going on, what did we do, what did I miss? It's all located in this particular spot. Another thing that we have up here are each of the units. For every unit, I have a chapter video. I actually go through the textbook and I highlight some of the most important parts of the chapters. A lot of people said that these were very useful. It helped them. It's kind of the flipped classroom aspect. So you watch the lecture video and you take notes. You can then use those notes on chapter reading quizzes. A lot of people have told me the past 2 years since this course has started that one of the simplest things they could have done was to just take notes to use on quizzes, and they probably would have gotten those extra points that they could have used. In addition to the videos, I also have people that just prefer to read and take notes, and that's perfectly fine as well. I have chapter 1 practice reading quizzes. They just have a few questions to help you maybe get ready for that reading quiz if you want to take them. They help me figure out what subject or topic I might have to review before the reading quiz. And then I have the chapter 1 PowerPoint that came from the book company if you prefer to look at a PowerPoint slide instead of the video or reading the textbook. So below that are the College Board objectives. Every unit has objectives from College Board that you should be able to have mastered with essential knowledge. So for instance, the Tragedy of the Commons, which is day 1 in this class, you need to be able to basically, understand that shared resources, keeping a common good, depleting the resources, all that fun stuff. We're going to come back to these and rate yourselves before and after units as well. And then below that, I do have the unit calendars. And the unit calendars will be updated as things change throughout the school year. So we have all of those units up and ready to go for you, so you could actually jump ahead if you wanted to. The next thing in Google Classroom for you to take a look at is the syllabus. The syllabus, just go through it, read it. At the bottom of the syllabus is a place where you can do a digital signature. We will talk about the syllabus as a group later on one of our days that we are all together, probably on Wednesday. So if you have any questions and you don't want to sign it until then, that's perfectly fine. The last thing on your list is to take a look at the Mastering login directions. The Mastering platform is what we are using for this particular course. So I have a hyperlink for you and then the directions that go with it. So under register, select student. If you've ever had a Mastering lab or other products in the past, you can actually use that pre-existing username. So if you've had it in math class or AP Bio, what have you, you can use it again. Here are the instructor IDs for each of your courses. So period 1, 3, and 7 are all located at this point when they ask you. If you're having problems with this, we'll talk again about it on Wednesday and make sure that everybody's ready to go. So just try your best to get yourself set up for the class, and Wednesday we will go through any troubleshooting that we might need to take care of.